Hey, yo, so check it out. We are currently at Niagara Water. So I arrived here about 5 or 10 minutes ago. This particular load is going to Ohio, so I have driven about what 3 or so hours to this location. So I think I have another 3 or so hours to the consignee in order to make this delivery, which I think I'll be driving through the night, or probably in the next couple hours or so. Because I want to get this shit over with so that I can rest and get ready for the week. Um, I'm not sure how many pounds or how heavy this load is. So, but once I get the BOL, I'll figure that out. And from here, I think I'm going to go to the weigh station in order to then get the load weight, gross weight, because that has to be done before I get on the road to avoid any future problems with the police or whatever. Um, yeah, because I don't want any problems with those guys, you know. But the thing is, once this load is delivered tomorrow, I guess it's gonna be a good week. So check this out. I had an issue with the load, not necessarily the load, but the actual trailer itself. The trailer I just got, there seems to be a problem with the floor of the trailer. They're saying the shipper is saying that it's a weak trailer floor, so that runs a risk of being a hazard when driving on the road, especially if the road is bumpy. The items may want to sink through the floor of the trailer, especially if we have a very heavy load. Unfortunately, I wasn't aware that this particular load or trailer had been damaged prior to me receiving it, so that's something that the company has to figure out, whether or not I have to go back to the terminal in order to get my old trailer back, or find another trailer somewhere else, only because the trailer I had previously had issues disconnecting from the truck itself. So I guess I'll find out what the next move is in the morning. But as for now, I'm headed to the nearest truck stop in order to then rest for the evening, because apparently there isn't anything left for me to do today. So today is a new day. Apparently I'm at the truck repair shop only because the trailer I carried to the shipper yesterday was denied because for some reason they're saying that the floor is weak, which I wasn't aware of before picking up the trailer. So hopefully they are able to fix this truck today or as soon as they possibly can. But I'm actually headed back to the office in order to then get a new trailer that I'll then take to the new shipper I'm supposed to be headed to, because the next load I'm supposed to be getting is roughly 1,000+ miles. So yeah, I'm excited for that, bro. So that's gonna be about what, 2 days trip probably. God, man. Anyway, gotta make up for the lost time. So hopefully we can cover at least 3,000+ miles this week, as long as they keep the miles coming. I'm willing to run them. But yeah, man. Let's get this paper, bro. Check in with you guys later. Peace. Pan of pizza.
Which one would you like?
Pepperoni. Pepperoni with enough cheese on it.
So you want those 5 pepperonis, 2 cheese, and...
What is this?
It's a chicken wing.
Okay. Yeah, let me get just the pepperoni for now.
You want olive?
A pan.
Gotcha.
Fell through.
Just stay back, okay?
Hey, I just wanted to tap in with you guys. So, I'm currently at the last location for this week. For this pay week, so apparently this load is going to carry on into the next week, so technically it's kind of like the first load for the week, yet the last load for the week, yet the first load for next week. So once this load is picked up, I'm headed straight to the nearest rest area in order to have a shower and just chill, because I was driving for about 12 to 13 hours, about 12 hours yesterday. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, because apparently there isn't anything else for me to do as far as driving is concerned today. So I think once I complete or finish taking my shower, having my shower, I'm going to find a few things to do as far as work activities, because might as well try to catch up on things that I've probably been slacking on during the week. So anyway, just wanted to keep you guys up to date. Check with you guys soon. Peace. Load and go.
Okay, where are you going?
Velocity.
Yeah, I know. What city? Maryland. Okay. Park in one of these two, and I'll load you up.
All right, thanks. Is there a restroom?
Yeah. So as soon as you park there, go right back there.
Thanks, sir. Hey, yo, so I'm currently outside of the shipper's office, and that was a seamless process, if I'm being honest. It only took probably 10 or so minutes to get this truck loaded, secured, and ready to go. So, like I mentioned previously, I'm headed to the nearest rest area because there isn't anything left for me to do for the rest of the week. Only, I think, chill and possibly catch up on what's next for next week, actually. So